Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our coding tutorial series. Today, we're going to learn how to capture HTML content and save it as an image using a powerful library called html2canvas. We'll cover two scenarios, capturing the entire body and capturing a specific area within our HTML. Let's dive in. The first scenario involves capturing the entire body of our HTML document. This is useful when you want to capture the entire visible content on your web page. In this example, we have a button with an event listener. When the button is clicked, html2canvas captures the entire body of our HTML, and the resulting image is downloaded with the specified file name. Now, let's move on to the second scenario, where we want to capture only a specific area of our HTML. In this case, we're focusing on the content inside a div with the id code container. In this case, we target the code container div. When the button is clicked, html2canvas captures only the content inside that div, providing a more specific image capture tailored to our needs. And there you have it. Whether you want to capture the entire body or a specific area of your HTML, html2canvas makes it easy. Feel free to experiment and integrate this into your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.